Hi, this is Mama Nessa, and I'm coming to you today with some very, very exciting news. I want to be able to help you this year to find a better place, a place that you've never been, a journey that you've never taken, but to have me come along as your partner, your aid, your mentor, your advisor. And I will welcome that opportunity. But first of all, let me have you click on the subscription button that should be located in the very front of this picture, like say right in here, this area, and click on that. Also, the notification bell so that when I make new material, new information, that you'll have it right at hand. So, my purpose for making these videos is to, again, help you to have the best year of your life. Are you excited about that? This truly can be the very best year of your life. And I believe because you're tuning into this channel that you have a heart to be in a better place, to be in a better position than you've ever been in your life. And I'm so excited for you. I'm excited for me because I have an opportunity to connect with you. My email address is mamanessa101 at gmail.com. MOMMANESSA101 at gmail.com. Leave your comments in the description box and email me, and I will be glad to help you position yourself into the best place that you've ever been. Till next time, I'll see you